Hello there. I would like to share with you my experience with using the LearnQ digital SAT testing platform. I personally know what it takes to build a computer adaptive test and to build a platform the way LearnQ has done because I've had the background myself of being a part of a development team that has done adaptive tests for GMAT and GRE and the like. So I know what it takes to build the kind of a database that's needed for ensuring that the engine runs smoothly. I know what it takes to make sure that the IT part of it works smoothly. And I know what it takes to actually get the scoring algorithm correct to ensure that students have a realistic experience with taking these mock tests. So I chanced upon LearnQ in my search for digital SAT adaptive testing platforms, and LearnQ came as a breath of fresh air. There are various reasons why I felt that LearnQ was very, very good for my students and even for my teacher team. There are various reasons for it. To start with, our stakeholders are students and teachers, admins themselves. So if you look at from the student's perspective, students get to play and practice different skills across reading and writing and the math sections. So there is some kind of a gaming that's involved in this play and practice module where students actually have a good learning curve while they are practicing questions. When you come to the adaptive testing platform itself, the look and feel is exactly the way Blue Book looks and feels and the way it actually functions. So that gives students a very, very realistic picture, realistic practice of the real digital SAT. And there are several digital SAT adaptive tests that students can practice on. So once they finish a test, the best part here are two things. Number one, the analytics part. There are very, very key insights, even at a topic level, as to where the student went wrong and where the student needs to improve. Also with time management. So there are various different analytics and insights that go into the post-test taking experience part. Now, when we come to additional practice on the platform itself, students get to practice with their AI tool. Students get to simply ask a question to the AI tool for additional practice, and the AI tool generates an equivalent testing skill, an equivalent testing point presented in a real digital SAT format for additional practice. So, like I said, the AI-backed platform is a breath of fresh air. When you come to the teachers part and the admins part, teachers get to give a diagnostic test, assign a diagnostic test to students before they actually start their classes. So they get to have a good understanding of how students performed in that test and where the gaps are so that teachers can actually work on developing a curriculum, tailoring a study plan for every single student. And teachers get to assign different adaptive tests at different points of time during their coaching or a tutoring program. So there are various different things about this platform that are excellent, and I really want to congratulate the LearnQ team for what they've done. Kudos to you all.